package has arrived. We have been waiting for this and pretty excited. We're going to open it up, but we're just going to show you what's in here, but we won't test it out until another day. But yeah, this is from the Bubble Tea Club, and from Melbourne. They're based in Melbourne, and pretty much you can make your own premium DIY bubble tea at home. So this is the card that it comes with, and here are the two girls that did it. I forgot their names. Oh, they're Pam and Jenny. Yeah, so Pam and Jenny came up with this, and they're doing really well. They're actually really getting really known. But yeah, we'll leave the link if you guys are ever interested in checking it out. And here we have our bubble tea, so that's pretty exciting. We have here the honeydew flavor, which is one of my favorites. We have here the creamer powder. We have here the pearls. So this is the tapioca pearls. We got 2 sets of those. And then we have here our straws. And then this one is an extra one. So that was like 2 sets. I got the brown sugar milk tea set, which I'll show you guys. This is the brown sugar syrup. Another one, because I think I ordered good for 20 servings of the brown sugar. Here we got the fructose syrup, and here we have another packet of tapioca pearls. This was $25 each. So we have here the reusable bubble tea cups, and I got a pink one for Alexis because that's her favorite color, and my one is green. Usually I'd go for the black one, but I thought I'd add some color in my life. This is it, and I'll show you guys the cup. So in the box you get the cleaner, you get here a reusable straw, and this is a cup. So cute. So here is the bubble tea club cup, and there's their logo. So that is our quick unboxing video, and we will be doing a taste test on this.
So this is the finished product, guys. This is again from the Bubble Tea Club, the Honeydew milk tea, and my sister and I will try it.
Cheers, sister.
Cheers.
Tastes exactly the same.
Yeah. So, that's pretty good.
More legit.
Yeah, it's legit. Tastes like the store-bought one.
Yeah.
So yeah, really good.
Tastes exactly the same as I would get it. And
This is your go-to, right?
yeah.
The pearls are really chewy. We just followed the cooking time, so I think it was 20 minutes, but that was like pretty
Maybe
thorough.
a little bit more.
Maybe a little bit more. Depends on you if you like your
The sweetness is there. Everything's really good. Tastes really
The
good.
flavoring is really good.
Only if they had I'm not sure if they do. I need to get like lychee jelly because I
Oh,
always
yeah,
get
lychee
honeydew
jelly
milk tea with lychee jelly. But yeah, it tastes legit. It's really good. Yum.
So again, guys, if you want to buy, we'll leave the link in the description. The bubble tea club. We'll probably try that again.
Yeah. We'll do the other flavor, which is brown sugar. It does taste like a...
Yeah, it tastes really good. Hey, if you like this one, guys, would recommend. So
It does taste
that
like
is our
brown sugar milk tea is my favorite too.
So that is our review on the bubble tea club, guys. What would you say? Would probably order it again?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Definitely.
So yeah, we'll leave their links down below. This video is not sponsored, so these are our thoughts.
Yeah.
And we definitely recommend them. So yeah.
I want to try
Try
the
it
other ones. I want to try the more of like the fruit crush ones. Like
Yeah, the fruit crush ones. Maybe we'll try them next time.
Yeah. And the taro. I reckon the taro will be good. So, yeah.
So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.